Hello, my friends. Welcome to our alphabet celebration. As we sing our Reading ABC song, you'll notice something special about one of the letters behind me. This will give you a clue as to which letter we're celebrating today. All right, let's get our rhythm. I'm going to slap and clap on this table. You might be doing it on your floor. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, A, B, C, D. E, F, G, E, F, and G. H, I, J, K. L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Reading, yes, reading begins with these. Did you notice something special about one of the letters behind me? Which letter do you think we're celebrating today? If you guessed the letter S, then you are correct. Please put your hands together and clap with me loudly as we welcome the letters S. Yay! Welcome! Big S and little s. Welcome to ABC Preschool. We are so happy that you could join us here today. We adore you both, Big S. We are grateful for you because you show us when words are important, like in a name or a place, and you show up at the beginning of sentences. And little s, we just think you're so cute. We see you the very most when we're reading and when we're writing. Let's sing a little song about the sound that the S makes. I'll sing first, and then while I'm singing, you be listening for 3 words that I sing that begin with the S sound. Are you ready? Okay, I'll start first. The S says S as in snake. The S says S as in snake. The S says S as in snake. Smile and sun. The S says S as in snake. Could you hear 3 words that had that S sound at the beginning? Okay, now you sing it with me. Here we go. Let's make the sign for it, and we'll make also the sound action, which is snake, like you're a slithering snake right there. All right, here we go. The S says S as in snake. The S says S as in snake. The S says S as in snake. Smile and sun. The S says S as in snake. Well done. Okay, the 3 words I chose were snake and smile and sun, because those are words that I like, and snake because it reminds us of our sound action. Do you have any words that you like that begin with the S sound? Does your name begin with the S sound? What about you, Big S and little s? Do you have any words that you like that begin with U? You do? Let's take a look at some of those words.
Slide. Snail. Swing. Sheep. Shoe. Snake. Strawberry. Seal. Sailboat. Spider. Sun. The letter S.
Now let's write big S and little s. What do you notice about these two letters? Can you see that they look so much alike? They are very similar. Big S is bigger than little s, but other than that, they look the same. All right, let's take our magical fingers in the air and we are going to write the big S and the little s. Here we go. Up top, very curvy, very curvy. There's nothing straight about an S. Here we go. Up and around, come down, back around. Let's do it again. Up and around, come down, back around. Ah, S's are so fun to make. Let's do it one more time. Big S. Up and around, come down and around. Oh, before we do that one again, in fact, we're not even going to do it again because that was 3 times for it. Let's do lowercase s. Here we go, just a little guy. Up and around, come around and back over. Up and around, curve down, up and around. Last time, up and around, curve down, up and around. Little s. Okay, now let's write it on this paper. Let me show you. I'll begin with uppercase S, big S. Up and around, come down and around. Big S and little s. Up and around, come down, up and around. Big S, little s. What do you think? Does this look like our S's here? Yeah? What do you think, big S and little s? Does this look like you? It does? Thank you. All right, in this box, I have something that begins with the sound. I'm going to give you 3 hints and see if you can guess what it is. All right, first hint. It can help you see fish. Second hint is that it has something clear that covers your eyes. Goes over your eyes, something clear. Is it coming to you? And the third hint is it has a tube that comes up that helps you breathe when you're underwater. Do you know what it is? Maybe you've used one of these or something similar before. It is a snorkel mask. This is my snorkel mask and I wear it when I'm at the ocean and I go into the water and I put it over my face like this, and then I can see out and see all the fish and the coral and the beautiful things, and I'm able to breathe while I'm underwater. Snorkel begins with the letter S. Big S and little s, we have had a wonderful time having you join us at ABC Preschool. We have enjoyed writing you and singing about your sound and seeing really cool words that begin with you. And thank you, my friends. As you go out about your day today, see if you can find something that begins with the S sound. This may give you some ideas. Take a look.
The letter S. S, sun. S, sword. S, smile. S snake. S star. S shoe. S strawberry. S sock. S sand. S snail. S spider. S seashell. S swings. S snowflake. S slide. S spoon. S snowman. S seed. S.